Yo, what's up, YouTube? My name is Max, and as most of you, I'm also on quarantine. You know, the best time to do my hobby, which is drawing and printing, hence the name of the channel. And today I invite you to see how I work, enjoy some good music, and just chill with me. Alright, let's go. So here we have our sketch, and then we have another sketch, and this is how the drawing starts, with a lot of sketches. Now I take the sketch and put it into Photoshop, and I'm gonna add a bike to it. And for me, drawing a bike is such a difficult thing. I don't know why, but I'm a character person. I like to draw characters, arms, legs, faces. But when it comes to drawing something mechanical like a vehicle, a car, bicycle, it's torture to be honest. And I'm just amazed by the guys who can draw those mechanical vehicles and stuff. It's just, for me, it's just too much work for me. So I like to trace things like bicycles and cars. And here in Photoshop, I'm continuing to working on this sketch, adding some rough details, kind of figuring out what I want to do with the illustration. And then I'm gonna print the sketch out on paper and work over it with a pencil. And we're gonna get to this stage pretty soon. For now, let's just chill, listen to this awesome track in the background, and enjoy the workflow. So here it is printed, and I'm gonna continue working on this sketch with a pencil. And on this stage, I'm testing out some ideas before I ink the drawing. And you see me put a lot of details, and some of those details just gonna disappear or be erased because this is my personal problem when it comes to detailing stuff. I overdo it most of the time, and it's not necessary. I mean, the details are not necessary. And now the inking, my favorite stage of the drawing process. It's where I just test out those funky pens that I have, Like for example, this one is a rotring isograph, yeah, 0.3. It's a thin inking pen, and it's just so nice to work with it. Further down the line, you will see me use the brush pen, which is just another awesome pen. And this is the fun part of the drawing. When it's on paper and you work with ink, it just feels good, you know. I could definitely do this in Photoshop, but it would not be that fun and interesting. So this is the brush pen. Oh, it's just awesome. Just look at this black, what is it, black color it puts on paper. It just looks so dark and crispy. And in Photoshop, after the inking, in Photoshop I will finalize the drawing. I will add some more of the dark elements. I mean dark, not in the sense of sinister or evil, I mean dark. And yeah, so this is Photoshop, and here I'm gonna transform the drawing a little bit, add some dynamics to this one, add some details, polish it, and just make it look final and polished and finished. And on the background you hear this awesome track playing, and I would like for us to just listen to it. It's a track by Jordan Rakei called Midnight Mischief. So let's just enjoy the vibe, watch the drawing evolve, and I'll get back to you in a couple of minutes.
It's these lines I tread. Too much life for simple. Midnight mischief strolling through my mind. Brought you there, but I left you behind. Midnight mischief strolling through my mind. It's my midnight mischief time. As the night awaits, I can see her sleeping. Step down mistake. Does she know my secret? I'm in love with her. Let the love manifest. Watch me take my serve. Does she know I'm master? Watch me take control. She doesn't know what hit her. Glimpses of her soul has a seamless dinner. Numbers on the plate. It's my turn now. 1 minute to the hour. Midnight mischief strolling through my mind. Caught you there, but I left you behind. Midnight mischief strolling through my mind. It's my midnight mischief time. Come back home to the place I like when it's over. I'll be waiting all day. Never seem to hold myself and notice that it's a dangerous place. Used to care, but I can see you're holding for a better place. Midnight slowly creeping through the curtain. No. Midnight flow, press rewind. My melody shows that midnight flow, press rewind. My melody shows that I wait all day for you. I wait for you.
So here I have the final drawing, and you know, every drawing not every drawing, but most of the drawings I wanna make some kind of a product out of them, either a greeting card or a print or a sticker. And with this one I wanted to try it on a t-shirt. And since the character is kinda Japanese, I thought why not use Japanese lettering on this one. And the easiest way to see if it works or not, I find, is just, using Google Translate. So the phrase goes, enjoy the ride, and I hope Google translated it correctly. And I'm gonna put this on those t-shirts, see how it works. I think it looks okay, I like it. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Enjoy the ride. Peace.